Hi everyone, today I will introduce our high and low temperature electronic universal testing machine with the video extensometer. This unit is equipped with a large temperature range environmental test chamber, which can be used for tension, compression, bending test of the variety of samples. The electric furnace system consists of the environmental box, temperature control and measurement display system, heating system, refrigeration system, temperature measurement components, and etc. The chamber body adopts a large front door structure and has an observation window, which can work together with our non-contact video extensometer for the elongation test. High-quality sealing material and sealing structure are used between the door and the door frame, with the good sealing and anti-aging properties. The refrigeration unit is an independent box, and the refrigeration unit is connected with the box with the refrigeration hose. The design adopts the two-stage 4-pair cooled unit. Video extensometer is an optical non-contact type deformation measuring system based on the DIC method. It can accurately measure the 2D and 3D strain property of the material and components.
Open MaxTest software. Create a new test project. Open Alpha software and click the Start button to start recording. Set the test speed and click the Start button to perform the tensile test. When the test is completed, click the Stop button of Alpha and MaxTest to stop the test. Open the protective door and remove the broken specimen. Print the test report.